Hello, my name is Joel Titus, and my project is a model for calories burned during exercise. I'll be covering the introduction, motivation, data structure, framework, and references for this project. Calories burned from exercise can be calculated using a variety of techniques. Common methods to calculate calories burned during exercise would be to use basal predictors such as heartbeat, gender, and age in a formula. An exact method to calculate calories burned from exercise is to undergo an indirect calorimetry test. And these tests are widely studied and they measure the pulmonary gas exchanges and convert them to calories. Machine learning models can be trained using predictors from a dataset to calculate calories burned. And multiple models could be trained and compared. The beneficiary would be weight loss patients and people trying to manage their body weight. A model can predict how many calories are burned, which may result in improved patient care. So the objective of this project is to develop a framework to compare several machine learning models and to select the best model with statistical analysis techniques. The data structure for this project will be an open source dataset from the Kaggle website. 7 predictors within the dataset will be used to train the model. Most of the predictors are biometric data, such as the height, weight, and heartbeat. A duration of physical activity of 20 to 30 minutes will be extracted out of the parent set of data. This is to differentiate between people performing exercise and those performing everyday tasks. So the data set will be reduced from 15,000 samples down to 5,390. So looking at the data a little bit closely with a scatter plot generated from Minitab, we did a simple check of significance for regression, and we can see that the independent variable, the heartbeat, on the x-axis, as it increases, there's an increase on the y-axis. So there does appear to be some correlation. Here we have another scatter plot from Minitab, and rather than the heartbeat being the independent variable, the body temperature is independent. The calories burned, again, is on the y-axis, and as x increases, y tends to increase, so there is again some correlation, suggesting a multiple linear regression. So the framework for the model analysis will be data cleaning, where blanks, missing data, and strings will be checked and prepared for the machine learning model. Then a k-fold cross-validation will occur where the data will be partitioned and multiple iterations of training the model will occur. Each partition will be used to test the data once. Now, once the data is trained and tested, each model will be evaluated using statistical tools like the adjusted R-squared and the root mean squared error. And finally, a model selection will be performed once each of the machine learning models have undergone training, testing, and evaluation. And here we have our references page. You can see what references I used to write this project proposal. If anyone has any questions about my project proposal, or if you have any concerns, please feel free to email me at the email address on the slide. Thank you.